Puppies. Meet the puppies and Caroline's got 'em. Hello.
Come on, girls.
Yeah, we were walking. Nice bud. We're just at Proud Lake. There's a little river spot here. Take dogs for a walk. Catch a few fish. Something to tucker them out. So we got plans tonight.
Come on, girls. Come on.
Alright. Go for dog. You want me to take a dog, babe?
Yeah, well.
Which one? I'll take the Coco, because she's doing crazy. Coco, you're crazy. Come on, Coco butt. Catch up with mommy. It's a little bit of a handful with all these girls.
Maybe you should attach the GoPro to their harness.
Oh yeah, attach the GoPro to their harness. Oh, whoa. Coco's taking me back.
Get your buggies off your ears. Come on, girls. Coco. Come on.
Come on, honey. Let's get up here.
Come on, Coco. Let's walk beside Sked.
Yep, got our girls. Walking and walking, walking and walking. Well, see, this is why walks take a long time, because they got sniffing honeybees on everything. Bee.
Coco said, scoot over.
Sorry, Coco. Excuse me. I'd say this is one of Honey's favorite activities. Actually, it's probably Coco's favorite activity. Whoa, Honey's gotta stop and sniff and pee. Hi, Coco. Coco dog. Come on, honey, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I found a small patch of grass. I have to pee. You're walking. Oh, damn it. Lost the honey. Lost the honey.
Doesn't break a sweat. Or doesn't stop a beat. Lose a beat.
Skip a beat.
Yeah.
Whoop. Which way are you going?
Coco dog.
That's honey. I must pee on everything.
Come on, Coco.
Let honey go, I'll get her. Rah! You're gonna get the juicy spot.
Yeah.
Remember when you caught like 5 rock bass? Juicy ones. You don't remember?
I don't know.
Maybe altogether we caught 5. But you caught at least 2 nice big ones. The woody tall tree path or the boardwalk. We always take the boardwalk first because it's too hot to do it later.
Coco, you don't have to deal with not being in front.
We're going in the marshy path. I wonder if you can even see honey on the GoPro. GoPro. Oh, that Coco just going potty all the time. Honey, it smells like poop over here, and you're sniffing, and that's poop. Here you go, babe. Oh man, this thing's feeling kind of collapsy.
Well, maybe because we have our combined weight right next to each other.
Oh, this thing's shaking. Babe, not cool. Oh my god. We're gonna have to do some reinforcements on that. Maybe the Huron River Watershed Council can get involved. Just kidding, I think the state... Wait, hold on. Yeah, state rec area. So the state would pitch in, hopefully. DNR and stuff. Whoa!
Come on, Coco. Come on.
Honey dog. It's a happy pug.
Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, Coco.
It's pretty out here. Like these, whatever these are. I wouldn't mind having these in the yard. Native. Pretty. In the summer they're colorful.
Oop, hold on, they're crossed.
Uh-oh, dog crossing.
Hold on, we got grass.
Babe, wave at the camera. Hero. This is what the honey does.
Honey, come on.
Honey, you're getting pretty far away.
Go get the basket.
No, I don't have to get her. Honey, come here.
Yeah, you don't have to get her.
Oh, honey, you're going bonkers.
Honey, come here.
Oh.
Come here, honey. Hey, what are you doing?
Honey, you can't go that way.
Come on.
Come here. Come here, you bonkers. Ugh. Whew.
All right, honey, stop for a second. Let me make sure. All right, your eye's still good.
It's bleeding.
It's bleeding again.
Well, look at it.
Oh.
It's fine. We'll wipe it up when it scabs up. She has a little skin tag on her eye, just a tiny one, and when she goes ballistic and starts rubbing on stuff, sometimes she breaks it off and it bleeds. First time it ever happened, I freaked out because I thought she punctured her eye or something. Caught a stick in her eye or something, but no, just that little thing bleeds like a bitch. Ooh. This path is overgrown. Humans encroaching on nature. Nature takes back what's rightfully its.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah. There's the movies about it. Careful, careful. Alright, I get first cast at this spot. Bay gets first cast at the next spot. Puppies.
Hey, girls, let's go over here.
You can come down here if you want. Oh, Bay gets the good spot. I get the crappy spot. This is just gonna be some panfish. Fish on. Oh my god, I think he's foul hooked. Oh no, it's just wrapped. Boop. Here, I'll move over here. This used to be a dock. I wonder why they took the dock out.
It's falling apart.
Yeah. I was hoping there would be some bass right up in here. Oh, here comes something. Gonna whack it. Oh. I think it's a little bass. Yeah. Honey, it's a fish. Hey. Hey. Little bass. That's what you can expect here at Proud Lake. Just kidding. There's nice fish in here, but not this little section. Yeah. Come here, honey. This awesome little thing here. It's a little bowl and then it sucks the water back up.
No, honey said she's not done yet.
Want some cocoa?
Well, I gotta...
Here you go, Coco. Coco. Coco, you need water. Here.
She drank some from the river earlier.
Come here. Coco. All right. They're not as thirsty as they sound.
I told you they got...
I know, which is always the case with them.
What about my water break?
Honey, can you come back over here, please? Honey. Honey's running away. Honey. Honey, stop. Hey. Come on, little butt. We're going this way. We gotta meet up with the group, little dog. Ah! I caught her like a rah.
You want some water?
Sure. I gotta pee too. Next little board. Oh.
Come on, girls. Come on.
Oh, so what happened? It's their day. They said if they want to stop and sniff, they can, because it's their day.
In the mud?
Yeah, and even in the mud.
No, not in the mud.
Look, here's a shot of all the butts in my house. All the lady butts. But you look like an adventure kid. Because you got your bag, and you got little things on it.
An adventure hat.
Yeah, you need an adventure hat like that lady. And she's got an MUCC shirt on, Michigan United Conservation Clubs. It costs like 40 bucks a month to join the Steelheaders, like 40 bucks a month to, or I mean a year, I'm sorry, 40 bucks a year. Yeah, we wouldn't do that. For a fly fishing club in Livonia, I haven't joined it yet, but I want to. And what else do we? Trout Unlimited, 40 bucks a year or something for a regular membership. Got that one. And then you can sign up and register as a member for Michigan United Conservation Clubs and the Huron River Watershed Council, or any watershed council. So just being a part of it, you do a couple river cleanups, or you want to do the stream flow thing, or you know, help collect bugs in the fall or whatever. It may not be that you're contributing to a lot to all the different clubs, but it's good to contribute something. I donate money when they're matching and stuff for the Huron watershed. So just being a member is helping. Plus it makes you mindful.
To the right.
To the right? There's only one way to go. Oh, Coco's on the right.
Nope, to the left.
Nope, shit. So yeah, anyway, join a club. Babe, I think they're taking dry flies, because I can see their little bloops and stuff. Oh, it could actually be the bugs on the surface. We're matching the hatch. So to get it dry, you're gonna want to do a couple false casts. Oh, boom! Matching the hatch, baby. They were busting the surface for these tiny flies, so put on a little Adams and boom. That's awesome. It works. There you go. Bake caught a fish. Woo! Honey just burped. Honey burped. Here, you're just pointing toward me.
So little and light.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. Now you can just, yep, boom. There you go. Boom. Ah! I think it's your hook set, babe.
Okay, what can I do to improve it?
Just have a tight line when you set it. Boom, see? It was more swift that you did it too, so that helps. Look at that. Bay's the gill master. Gill master flex.
Oh, okay.
You get her?
There we go.
Sweet. It's okay, puppers. Mommy's gotta catch a few more fish and then we'll go to the dam. Okay? Boom!
They're getting a little bit bigger each time.
Seems like the kayakers disrupt them for a minute. Oh, oh yeah. Now we're getting small. That's a little one, babe. Come here, puppies. Let's go look at the fish. Look at that little guy.
I don't even know if I can hold you.
Coco, stay up here.
Hey, come on.
Flip flop,
Water.
flip flop, floop, boop.
They're getting a little bit bigger each time. Come on.
Let's say hello to the puppies. This is Coco. Hello. Mwah. The Coco. Come here, honey. It's your turn. This is the honey. Hello.
Good, how are you?
Mwah.
Oh yeah, can't complain.
Wrapping up our walk. Coco's on her 10th wind. How's Bay?
I'm doing fine, babe.
She's doing fine.
Little hungry, but
She's hungry.
what's new?
We decided to make a puppy day because we've just been doing stuff and I've been fishing, neglecting the doggers. So we gotta burn them out because tonight we're gonna go meet up with some friends at 6 feet distance at least.
Yeah.
This is the path I like though because the big tall trees that line the side.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool. It's a nice place for a walk. On a weekend it's busy. Come here during the week, nothing. Got the doggos, got the doggos. Bay's got the dog. Oh, I got the Coco. I've been given a pug. Oh yeah. So we were matching the hatch today with this tiny Adams dry. Couldn't get him to hit on our secret recipe woolly bugger. Changed to see him busting the surface, little tiny flies.
Come on.
Put on Adams, slaying them. Even bluegill, you can match the hatch. Yeah, I want to find another place with trails, with little spots to fish along the way. But this place is so easily accessible.
Hello.
Alright, we're headed out of here.